So right off the bat, we've got two tactile switches, ube crinkle cookies and chocolate crinkle cookies. These were sent to me from KNCKeys, but that won't change my opinions on them in any way. First up, we've got ube. It's a light tactile with light factory oil, lubed and beautiful colorway, designed by KNC. Tactility wise, it's slightly less than MX Brown's. Spec'd with a HPE top and palm bottom and a big old long boy 13.7mm HPE stem and a 58 gram double stage spring. Upon initial inspection, I could tell it has a leaf ping, but no spring crunch. It's really smooth to my surprise because I found that light factory lube really meant light because it was only on the legs and a little bit on the leaf. From what I could tell, there was no lube on the rails or spring. The housing tolerance is a little loose, but I don't think it would necessitate film. I also found that the switch sat into the plate loose as well, but doesn't fall out. Next up are the chocolate cookie crinkles with medium tactility that's slightly more than MX Brown's. Features a PA 666 top and bottom with another Longboy 13.7mm HPE stem and a 62 gram double stage spring. Initially, the chocolates sounded like there was more leaf ping than the ubes, but after throwing them in a board, that wasn't necessarily the case. I'm not sure if it's because it has higher tactility or the materials, but it wasn't as present. As with the ubes, it had light factory oil applied to the legs and leaf, and for what I could tell, nothing on the springs. The housing tolerances are tight here, no foam needed. In typical Texie fashion, they're a pain to pull out. Now here's a sound test stock and lubed. Arguably, from my time between the two, I found the chocolates to have a better out-of-box experience. Though they both suffered leaf ping, it's quite an easy fix with a light layer of lube behind the leaf. The ubes are definitely on the lighter side that offers a quieter bottom mount, whereas the chocolates have a harsher bottom mount and a heavier spring. Personally, I enjoyed the chocolates more as it provided a full rounded sound profile where the ubes seemed a little thin. They're both incredibly smooth, stock and lubed, and shows consistency in terms of build quality. The only negative I could say are how loose the ubes are installed into the plate. And with that, if you've tried one or both of these switches, let me know what you think of them in the comments below.